To change the cover photo on Instagram Reels, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the Reels section. Tap on the reel for which you want to change the cover photo. Once the reel is open, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with several options, including Edit. Tap on Edit to proceed to the editing screen. On the editing screen, you will see a thumbnail of your reel at the top. Tap on this thumbnail to change the cover photo. You will now see a screen with several options, including a slider that allows you to choose a specific frame from your reel as the cover photo. You can also add a photo from your gallery by tapping on the gallery icon at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the frame or photo that you want to use as the cover photo and tap on it. You can then adjust the position and size of the photo by pinching or dragging it. Once you are satisfied with the new cover photo, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Your new cover photo will now be visible on the Reels section of your Instagram profile. It is essential to choose a cover photo that accurately represents the content of your reel and is visually appealing. Best practices for choosing a cover photo include selecting a frame that is clear and well lit, and that includes the main subject of your reel. You should also ensure that your cover photo is consistent with your brand identity and aesthetic. By following these steps, you can easily change the cover photo on your Instagram Reels and make them more engaging and effective. Remember to always keep your cover photos high quality and relevant to the content of your Reels to maximize their impact.